Hey everybody. So as you can see, there's quite a few things on my bench today, and we're going to be working on some battery cables because the cables on my truck are completely shot. So it's a 2006 Dodge Ram, and Dodge decided to quit making that cable right there, the 4801. So I could have bought the other ones and then make that one cable, but I was like, you know what, if I have to make one cable, I'm just going to make all of the cables. So that way I don't have to rely on Dodge to... Anyway, so moving on. This is kind of like the parts that I decided to go with. I just went with these ones here. There's a few design features that I'm not really big on, but I really don't have the capability to make one, not right now, not in this shop. So I had to go with off-the-shelf parts there. But I do have to cut into the wire harness. So doing so, I decided to go with these. There's another style of plug that I ordered. It's not here, but I'll show you guys that when it gets here. I'm going to get the cables off today, get the cables measured, and then that way I can get the cables ordered. So yeah, let's go take a look at the truck real quick and, start from there. Alright, so today is May 14th. I think I forgot to say that when we were in the garage. But these terminals are completely rotted out and they move all over the place and just come off. And just rotted out. Cables down in here shot. This other side is just as bad. So you see this one wiggles all around, comes right off. And this one, same deal. And they're just rusted out and no good. So yeah, the cables need to be replaced. They're original from 2006. So yeah, we're gonna get them changed out. Let me get them pulled off, and we'll get the cables measured up so we can get those ordered. Alrighty, so this is day 2 of the project. First day I worked on just getting the cables off, and got the main power cable pretty much done. I'll show you that when I actually go to put it on the vehicle though. But one of the things I found out was this cable here, which is on the driver's side, is actually just one harness. Now I ended up cutting it because I didn't know that, but still just go back on the original plan, just using some of these connectors here. These are waterproof, and before I was going to go with these, I was actually going to use these ones. Let me open up this package. So this is a SAE, I believe is what they call it. It's one that if you have a motorcycle, you'll know what these are. So I just got like a little 2-foot, 3-foot extension, and I was just going to use 2 of these, just kind of do a number kind of like that, so that way it's easily connect and whatnot. But I decided not to go with this because it's not exactly fully waterproof, and it could just come undone. So I ended up using this for a different project, which I already have in mind. So that's where we're going to use this, because these actually will click together and it's a watertight. I only need one line. This is a 2-pin connector, so I'm just going to cut one of the cables off. It's not a big deal. Did talk about it in the other video, but my original plan was to actually tin the ends of the cable. That was going to go inside of here. The reason why I was going to tin it, just try to give it a little bit longer life, but I don't think that's going to work very well with the clamping style, so I opted to go with not tinning them. I am using 1/0 cable. Let me grab one of those cables real quick. I got one right over here. Now, this is the 1/0. And then this is the original cable. So you can see it's a little bit thicker than the original. I'm pretty sure that the original is going to be closer to like a 2/0, where I'm using 1/0, and this is welding cable, so it should last a very good long time. And I've noticed that the wire thickness on this is thinner than the one that was on the truck. Now, thinner is not bad. If it was really, really thick, that wouldn't be as good. You want a thinner cable, or a thinner copper strand. It also makes the cable very, very flexible, so it'll make routing it very easy. I probably said a lot. I got a lot on my mind right now, but I'll leave you guys at this, and I'm gonna finish up for the day and get back in the house. Thanks for watching.